All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the best tool Snap-on has brought out in a long time. Now, this is a tool that bought it, like, maybe I'll use it, and it has become my go-to pair of needle nose pliers. Lots of people have covered these already. LN478CF. It's got a patent number on it, so I'm guessing something really special about them. They are US made. These have been phenomenally great needle nose plier. The actual tongs do not twist. Standing joints are really good. Good at getting small hose clamps off. Really good, handy tool. It's replaced my straight needle nose pliers as my go-to. I don't use anything but specialty ones like 45-degree offset. These are freaking awesome. They're extremely well made and have just been impressive. Haven't tried to cut anything with them because, of course, they always have the little cutter that nobody ever does anything with. The teeth are sharp and stay sharp. It's amazing what these little pliers have been able to do for me in the time I've used them. Snap-on's got a winner. If you've got a Snap-on dealer, part number is LN478CF. They don't sponsor me. No, they don't sponsor anyone as far as I know. I can't make any money off this. If your Snap-on guy has them, I would highly recommend you go ahead and pick these up because they are freaking awesome. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.